The Javelina Skilled Trades Academy is an extension of our university and focused on skilled trades and workforce training that leads to high-paying jobs and high-demand occupations in our region.
The learning skills that you're going to obtain for this class is going to be a core certification, which is a safety. They also get an OSHA 10 certification, and they also get Electrical 1 certification. So I do have an array of students here as far as the age group goes. It's anywhere from 19 to 55.
The best example I can give of a neat relationship is one of the father and son duos that we have in our electrical training class. I mean, they came together, they're training together, they're going to work together, and they're looking to build a career together. And that's an exciting success story that's coming out of the academy.
Having my dad as my classmate's actually really interesting. He's the one that actually gave me the opportunity to come into this class. Without him, I wouldn't be here right now, to be honest with you.
Anything I could do with my son, especially, he lives in Corpus, I live in, so that's more time that I get to spend with him. That's even better for me. So yeah, definitely a blessing to be able to spend that and share that with him.
The neat thing about the Javelina Skilled Trades Academy is that we're really working to make all of our workforce training in electrical and in pipe fitting and in carpentry and in weatherization and in broadband degree applicable to some of our degrees at the university. And for that, it's exciting because now folks that are not traditionally seeking a four-year degree have the opportunity to go to work, be trained, get good paying jobs, but also, if they want to continue their education in the future, they'll be able to.
I had felt for a long time that I was in a loophole. It's going round and round, same thing every single day, nothing, no change, nothing getting better till this.
We're presenting an opportunity for individuals in our region, in the South Texas area, in our backyard, as Dr. Vela likes to say. We're providing those individuals opportunities that they didn't have before. Opportunities to do workforce training that leads to good paying jobs and high demand occupation. It's all about social and economic mobility, and the ability to provide this type of training in our area, in the backyard of South Texas, it's meaningful. It's meaningful to our community.
Being a firefighter, I deal a lot with just electrical issues, troubleshooting, incidents that we go out on, emergencies and even non-emergencies where they obviously have caused a fire or whatever. So that was one part, and then the other part is I've always been interested in fixing things and being able to expand my knowledge doing that.
Ever since I've started, I've put my name out there a little bit more. I've gotten great job offers to go work in the chemical plant, to go work SpaceX Brownsville, even offshores in Saudi Arabia, like just big opportunities that have never been presented to me at all. So that's why I come back to like new opportunities that I never knew existed, and here they are presented right in front of me.